Today we are
Good
going
morning,
to,
ma'am.
very good morning. Today we are going to start first lesson of history. Before starting first lesson, keep your notebook and pen with you. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Keep
Yes.
your pen and copy with you. So, our topic is freedom struggle of 1857.
7.
Topic is, write down topic on your notebook, freedom struggle of 1857. Ankita, what is your topic?
Ma'am,
Freedom
the first
struggle
freedom struggle
uh,
of 1857.
1857. Now, this struggle is also known as the First War of Independence. Indians, they declare it as the First War of Independence. And Britishers, they called it as a revolt, Vidroh, Bagawat, by the Indian army. And some historians call it as a mutiny. Mutiny क्या होता है? गद्र. Merciless killings of the Indian people. Now, here one question arises. Why the struggle of 1857 is also known as the First War of Independence? क्यों इस स्ट्रगल ऑफ 1857 को फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस भी कहते हैं?
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
आप में से कोई मुझे आंसर दे सकता है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सुहानी.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can
हाँ, सुहानी, you speak up.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because for the first time, all the Indians together decided to go against British
Freedom
Yes, ma'am.
struggle
and
57
fought
को independence
against British. Even they did not, their strategy did not, they did not
Was
win
a
the fight,
successful one. Yes.
but
Uh,
they, for the first time, they decided to go against British together. That's why it is known as first freedom
First War
struggle.
of Independence.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice answer. Now I will explain it again. Because before First War of Independence, that means the struggle of 1857, there were various revolts by the Indians. But these revolts were localized. They were restricted to certain areas. वो ये जो रिवोल्ट हिंदुस्तानियों ने किए थे, ये उनके ही प्रोविंस तक लिमिटेड था. जैसे रिवोल्ट बाय फार्मर्स, when farmers were not happy with the policies of the Britishers, they revolted against the Britishers. इसी तरह जो वर्कर्स थे, जो लेबरर्स थे, अलग अलग वो अपने प्रोविंसेस में दे यूज टू रिवोल्ट, लेकिन वो उससे कोई वो उनको सक्सेस नहीं मिली. So for the first time, this struggle of 1857, it posed a threat to the Britishers. It shook the foundation of the Britishers in India because it was a mass movement. It was a public movement. All the peasants, farmers, laborers, workers, men, women, and people from the high class society also participated in this revolt. That is why it was known as the first struggle of 1857. Now, which causes were responsible for the revolt of 1857? अब ये हुआ कि इसको हम क्यों फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस कहते थे. फिर जो अब हमारा दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, दैट इज कि क्यों ये क्यों इंडियंस ने रिवोल्ट क्यों किया? व्हाई दे रिवोल्टेड, है ना? देयर वर नंबर ऑफ कॉजेस विच वर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस आउटब्रेक. अच्छा, ये प्राची,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आपने टॉपिक लिखा है कॉपी पे?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो आप मैंने फिर उसके बाद बोला था कि 1857 रिवोल्ट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. पहले आप लिखिए 1857 रिवोल्ट, देन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल, देन फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. ये अपनी कॉपी में लिखो. फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल ऑफ 1857, revolt of 1857, and then first war of independence. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your notebooks. क्या आपने
Yes, ma'am.
लिखा क्या? हाँ, अपने अपने कैमरास के सामने मुझे दिखाइए कॉपी पे आपने लिखा क्या.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
निकुंज कहाँ गया? हाँ, निकुंज, शो मी योर कॉपी. प्राची, महक, हाँ दिखाइए. Show me. You are taking too much time. हाँ महक, very nice, very good. हाँ बहुत अच्छा, very nice. हाँ निकुंज, हाँ जी, good. Then who else will show me? और कौन दिखाना चाहता है उसने क्या लिखा? अंकिता, अच्छा ये बिलाल, वेरी गुड. हाँ, आप जो आप सेकंड हेडिंग दे दोगे, कॉजेज responsible for the outbreak of 1857. Causes responsible for the outbreak of 1857. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, there were a number of causes responsible for the outbreak of 1857. First, we will explain the role of army, या position of army, not role, position of the army. अच्छा, do you know who were the soldiers in the British Army? ब्रिटिश आर्मी में सोल्जर कौन थे?
Ma'am, Indian.
Indians, because we were slaves under the Britishers, है ना? अच्छा, when did Britishers establish East India Company in India?
Ma'am,
1600.
2000.
1600.
1600.
Very nice. Who was the Mughal king who ruled India at that time? शाहजहां. शाहजहां और जहांगीर?
Ma'am, Jahangir.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am. Jahangir.
they asked for the permission of establishing East India Company in India, and they established East India Company in 1600. At that time, their main motive was to create business relationship with the Indians. But due to weaknesses of our kings, bad policies of our kings, they started interfering in our internal policies, and they became our masters, and we were slaves. तो उस टाइम तक 1947 तक जो उनके जो सोल्जर्स थे, दे वर इंडियंस को वो रिक्रूट करते थे इन द आर्मी. अब जो कंडीशन थी आर्मी की, वो क्या थी? कंडीशन थी ये कि इंडियन पीपल who were recruited by Indians in the army, they were given less salary as compared to British soldiers. उनको कम तनख्वाह मिलती थी ब्रिटिशर्स के कंपैरिजन में। और अगर वो एज सोल्जर ज्वाइन करते थे, एंड दे यूज टू रिटायर ऑल्सो एज सोल्जर, अगर सोल्जर वो आर्मी में वो ज्वाइन करते थे, लेकिन बाद में एज सोल्जर ही वो रिटायर होते थे। एंड थर्ड, उनको बोला गया था कि आपको आउट ऑफ इंडिया, आपको आर्मी के थ्रू दूसरे कंट्रीज के साथ जो है फाइट करने जाना है। वो भी इंडियंस को पसंद नहीं था। एंड इवन ब्राह्मण्स, उनको ये जो हेड टेल होती है, जो यहाँ पर वो बाल उसकी टेल बनाते हैं, मालूम है ना? हाँ, तो वो भी उन्होंने उनको बोला कि ये आपको आर्मी में बैठ के आर्मी के रूल्स रेगुलेशंस को ओबे करना, उनको फॉलो करना है। और तो ये इसका मतलब है कि वो उनको दे यूज्ड टू टॉर्चर द सोल्जर्स। ठीक है, इंडियंस को वो टॉर्चर करते थे, स्पेशली द सोल्जर्स। जो ये सोल्जर्स थे, दे वर नॉट हैप्पी। उनको जो अलाउंसेस मिलते थे, उनको जो ये खाना देते थे, और उनके साथ जो बिहेवियर था, इट वाज नॉट गुड। दैट्स व्हाई द पीपल, द सोल्जर्स, दे वांटेड टू रिवोल्ट। ये कंडीशन ऑफ पेजेंट्स। इसको कोई रिपीट करना चाहता है, कंडीशन ऑफ पेजेंट्स? Can you tell me why did these Indian soldiers revolted against the Britishers?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
ma'am, because of
Ma'am,
Rajshri, you speak.
ma'am, because the British government pays less salary to the Indian soldiers.
Hmm. Then?
ma'am, can I?
Sohani.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the cartilages were made of greased fats of cows and pigs, and the
That
people
was
who were.
the immediate cause of the revolt.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the use of grease cartridges. That was the immediate cause. That means that at that time there was a rumor that the pistol which these soldiers used, its spout was made of pigs or cow's fat. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
was against the sentiments of both the Muslims and the Hindus. So these soldiers, they refused to accept these pistols and to fight for the Britishers, and they revolted. है ना? And who was the first soldier?
Ma'am, Mangal Pandey.
Ma'am, Mangal Pandey.
Very good class, nice class. हाँ, ये हो गया second cause. Now the political cause. अच्छा, ये आपकी समझ में आ रहा है जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये आपको थोड़ा ये स्टोरी टाइप लगेगा, फिर आप इसको खुद भी लिख सकते हो। ठीक है? हाँ, सेकंड, जैसे पॉलिटिकल कंडीशंस ऑफ इंडिया। हाँ, नाउ वी वेर अंडर द ब्रिटिशर्स। ब्रिटिशर्स यूज्ड टू एडमिनिस्टर अस। वही पॉलिसीज बनाते थे, वही एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वो सब उनके अंडर था। हाँ, so they decided to change the administrative policies of the Indians. उन्होंने क्या किया, जैसे लैंड पॉलिसीज थी पेजेंट्स की, वो चेंज की। फिर इसी तरह उन्होंने दे इंट्रोड्यूस डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स, सब्सिडरी अलायंस। ठीक है? हाँ, तो ये क्या थी, ये सब पॉलिटिकल इसमें आता है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में। फर्स्ट, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स। Who introduced this doctrine of lapse?
Ma'am, Lord Dalhousie.
Lord Dalhousie.
Very nice, very good. What was the intention of Dalhousie before behind this policy?
Ma'am, he wanted to emerge all the states of India.
Merge. He wanted to merge.
He wanted to merge all the states of India in his company.